How to fix Facebook 6-digit code not working. So if you're facing a problem with Facebook 6-digit code, then first you need to check your internet connection. And after checking your internet connection, if you still don't receive the code, then the next thing you need to check is your information, like if you have provided the correct information, like your phone number or your email. And even after checking the information, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your settings and go for apps and notifications and go for see all apps and open up your Facebook. And then on the first option you will have notifications, right? So tap on notifications, and if you have turned off your notifications, then simply turn that on. And after turning on your notifications, now you will receive the code. So this might be a case, this might be a problem. So simply turn on your notifications and now you will receive all of the code that you would like to receive. So that's it, that's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.